So here's a quick look at what a cash local app in ChatGPT could be, focused on health and beauty sellers. So maybe I come to ChatGPT wanting to find a stylist near me for a special occasion. Maybe I could be returned a list of sellers nearby, along with their specializations, how expensive I can expect them to be, maybe their distance from me at the moment. I can flip through these. These all look great, but maybe I want to refine my search a little bit. I want to make sure I go to a salon that doesn't use any harsh chemicals. I'll submit that. And I get a slightly different list, a bit more tailored to what I'm looking for. I can flip through these folks. Alicia Rodriguez, this is the look I'm going for. These tags make sense to me. The distance and the price look right. I can tap in, flip through here. Gallery looks great. The part of town that they are in is works well for me. I'm going to go ahead and book. I can flip through the stylist's availability. Thursday at noon actually works great. Cool. And so my appointment has been booked. I've got my confirmation card right here. I can add that to my calendar. I can come back and get directions. It's all nicely contained within here. And then, 3 months later, maybe I come back and I don't remember exactly the stylist's name, but hopefully ChatGPT does. So maybe I need to touch up. Can you just rebook me with the same stylist I used last time? Submit that. And it was Alicia. Last time you booked with Alicia at the color bar. Here's her availability. So I have a very similar interface here to choose availabilities. And it looks like on Saturday, the 31st, she has availability at noon. That is perfect. I can book that as well. Great. So, but what if I want to kind of make a more educated decision? What if I want to kind of dig in more and look at this from different angles? So maybe I start with the same question, and maybe I still want to do the same sort of initial refinement, right? But then from here, maybe I want to say, show me some reviews. And I can flick through these in a kind of natural kind of way. Maybe I want to base my decision mostly on price. So help me compare prices between the sellers that you're showing me. And I might get this sort of comparison table based on their services. I think I've made a decision. I want to book with Alicia. Great. And once again, I can just choose from her availability, pick a time, and here we go.
So we'd love to work with you to make ChatGPT very locally relevant. Just so you know, in cities like San Francisco, we serve 137 merchants per square mile, with 22 of those being health and beauty sellers. So we have a lot of density in major US cities to make ChatGPT very locally relevant. We offer a direct connection from the user to the merchant. So we can offer competitive pricing and really allow that user to interact in depth with the merchant. And lastly, we're ready to work with you. So agentic commerce is a top priority for us. It's a top priority for our sellers. And as soon as we get the signal, we are ready to go. Last thing is, we'd love to work with you. Local commerce is a little bit different from big box retail commerce. So for example, We have an existing merchant feed that we feed out to other providers like Google Maps. We'd love to work with you to support this directly into OpenAI so that ChatGPT can, without having to pick a connector, be able to really answer very well, hey, like, where should I get dinner tonight? Secondly, for the product feed, we think it's amazing and we'd love to work with you to adapt it so that it can handle food and bev, health and beauty, services. That way, again, even before ChatGPT calls out to a remote service, we can have really great product and service information right there for the user. And lastly, on Apps SDK, we'd be early users, so we'd love to get feedback and test anything that you're wanting to test. Thank you so